Welcome back to our channel, where we learn English through powerful stories. Today, we'll discover the inspiring life of Abraham Lincoln. Listen carefully, enjoy the story, and learn new English words and expressions along the way. Are you ready? Let's begin. Have you ever heard of a poor boy who read books by candlelight, and one day became President of the United States? But wait, the story isn't that simple. He was born in a log cabin, lost his mother at age 9, and failed many times in life. But from all that pain, rose one of the greatest leaders in history. This man failed elections, lost his love, and almost gave up on life. But he's the one who ended slavery in America. Abraham Lincoln, from log cabin to White House. On February 12, 1809, in a quiet farm in Kentucky, a baby was born. His name, Abraham Lincoln. His family was very poor. Their house, a small log cabin. His bed was made of straw. His father could not read or write. But young Abraham had something special, curiosity. He loved books. He would walk for miles just to borrow one. At night, he read by candlelight, no electricity, no oil lamp. Imagine, from no school, no money, to leading a nation. How did he do it? At age 9, he lost his mother. It was a painful time. But he didn't give up. He kept learning, from books, from work, and from life itself. As he grew up, Lincoln tried many jobs: farmer, shopkeeper, surveyor, soldier. But he always had one big dream: to fight for justice. He entered politics, but it wasn't easy. 1832, lost his first election. 1833, his business failed. 1835, his fiancée died. 1836, Deep Depression. 1843, lost again in an election. 1848, lost re-election. 1855 and 1858, lost twice in the Senate race. Most people would quit. But not Lincoln. He once said, "I walk slowly, but I never walk backward." America was breaking apart. The North and South were fighting over slavery. The country needed a leader. Lincoln stepped forward. He ran for president. And he won. But this was not a happy ending. It was the beginning of a long and bloody war, the American Civil War. As the country burned, Lincoln stood strong. He believed every human, no matter their skin color, deserves freedom. In 1863, he signed the Emancipation Proclamation. He freed the slaves in the South. Some people hated him for that. Many even wanted him dead. But Lincoln never backed down. At the battlefield, he gave a short speech: "Government of the people, by the people, for the people, shall not perish from the earth." Words that still echo today. Finally, the war ended. Slavery was over. The country was saved. But just days later, while watching a play with his wife, Lincoln was shot from behind. The bullet didn't just kill a president, it broke the heart of a nation. Abraham Lincoln was not perfect. But he proved that even if you're poor, even if you fail many times, even when the world doubts you, you can still change the world. So now the question is, will you just watch history, or will you make it? Thanks for watching and learning English with us today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And share this story with your friends, so they can learn English and get inspired too.